Samsung has been on a tablet launching spree, and it seems like they're not slowing down anytime soon. After releasing a whopping 7 tablets in the second half of last year, they are now gearing up to unveil 3 more tablets later this year. Brace yourselves for the Galaxy Tab S10, S10 Plus, and the S10 Ultra, which are expected to be the cream of the crop in 2024. Excitingly, there have been some hints about these upcoming tablets. The battery of the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus has recently received certification from the Korea Testing and Research Institute, which is a positive sign. However, the exact battery capacity remains a mystery due to some blurry images from the testing process. But if we look at the previous generation Plus variants of Samsung's high-end tablets, we can expect a battery capacity of around 10,000 mAh. Interestingly, this battery has already made an appearance online. It was spotted last month in India's BS Safety Certification database, adding more weight to the rumors surrounding the Galaxy Tab S10 series. With Samsung obtaining certifications from various authorities, it's highly likely that we will witness the launch of these devices in the second half of this year. Rumors suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor will power these tablets, ensuring a smooth and powerful performance. Additionally, we can anticipate the inclusion of dynamic AMOLED 2X screens, quad speaker setups, and of course, the beloved S Pen. The Galaxy Tab S10 is expected to bring some improvements to the S Pen, such as reduced latency and a better placement for the action button. There are even whispers of IP68 certification and additional attachments for the S Pen. But that's not all. Samsung is also focusing on enhancing the productivity factor of these high-end tablets. They plan to achieve this by introducing an improved ecosystem and cross-device functionality features. This means that you can expect a seamless experience when using these tablets alongside other Samsung devices. Now it's your turn to share your expectations for the upcoming Galaxy tablets. What features are you hoping to see? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, peace out.